The After-Biochem project is developing the first all-in-one biorefinery within the Chemesis chemical platform, sited in Carlin-Saint-Avold, France. After-Biochem is creating multiple value chains based on the transformation of sugar industry's co-products, as well as other non-food biomass feedstocks into bio-based and natural molecules for various applications. After-Biochem brings together at different stages of the value chain 12 partners from 5 European countries. The project is funded by the European Union's Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Programme and the Bio-Based Industries Consortium.
The main objective of After-Biochem is to facilitate and accelerate the scaling up of bio-based molecule production. It is about proving that it is possible to build industrial plants in Europe and combine competitivity and sustainability. With After-Biochem, we are making a proof of concept with replicable industrial model that can be further developed to contribute to a strong bioeconomy value chain. We already have concrete outcome as we have finished the construction of our first plant and inaugurated it in 2022. Affiren-Neoxy is a unique biorefinery based on the zero-waste model, able to provide up to 16,000 tons of low-carbon bio-based organic acid. At the end of the project, After-Biochem will have contributed to a better sustainability and circularity in the chemical industry in Europe, but also in the world.
The reduced availability of fossil resources and the energy transition strategy are also pushing the development of a biotechnology using sustainable feedstock. Technip Energy is convinced that the part of the biotechnologies in the industry will continue to grow. We have been very active in this field for several years already. We have been involved in several biotechnology projects at different levels of progress. Amongst them are projects that start with a conceptual phase and then lead into the construction, the commissioning and the startup phase of the unit, such as for the After-Biochem project.
Often, organic waste is disregarded as a valuable resource. It includes food waste, park and yard waste, waste from the food and beverage industry, and other biodegradable materials which are already collected by Suez today in considerable amounts, and that will continue growing in quantity tomorrow. In 2022, the 27 countries in the European Union produced more than 140 million tons of organic waste. By diverting organic waste from disposal in landfills and utilizing it as a feedstock, we can reduce the need for virgin materials and minimize the environmental impact of resource extraction. If effectively managed, such waste can turn into a sustainable source of raw materials, like the organic acids produced in After-Biochem. These materials can replace other ingredients in formulations for the industry of cosmetics, lubricants, adhesives, pharmaceuticals, and other products with a chemical base alike.
The valorization of byproducts needs to be efficient for the success of a biorefinery project because they are often critical for economic viability. It can help to reduce carbon footprint, and the development of alternative products could increase the sustainability of the industrial process. There could be many different applications of byproducts, such as animal feed, energy, fertilization. The After-Biochem project aims to develop a biorefinery based on a zero-waste strategy, and it could only be achieved by giving value to the potassium-enriched residue. Tayal was particularly interested by the project as the potassium is one of the key nutrients for plant fertilization and can be used for preparation of agricultural fertilizers. Moreover, the potassium source produce is of high quality and could be certified for use in organic agriculture. Tayal saw an opportunity to take part of the project to help providing sustainable fertilization solutions responding to environmental, economic, and societal issues.
Byproducts of sugar beet are the basis for bio-based chemicals and therefore a valuable source of renewable raw material. Not a surprise, since sugar beet is a sustainable and local all-rounder and provides many different products. 100% of the beet is being used. It contains about 72% of water, approx 70% of beet sugar, 20% of fresh wet beet pulp and 3% of molasses. All these products are used in a variety of industries and applications. Sugar beet cultivation and local farming is a positive process for nature, affecting oxygen levels, soil health and biodiversity.
Bio-based products are those derived from materials of biological origin. These products can provide alternatives to traditional chemical production routes, which are typically based on fossil resources. To perform environmental evaluations of bio-based materials, it is necessary to use an holistic methodology, such as life cycle assessment. This assessment method evaluates the inventory of all materials, energy resources and water in the full life cycle of a product, from the production to the use phase and the end of life. The After-Biochem project aims at using an innovative technology for valuing industry side streams and non-food biomass feedstocks into molecules of industrial interest. Sphera is excited to be part of the consortium, having the role of studying this flagship technology and assessing it from a sustainability perspective.
Bioeconomy for Change is a catalyst with knowledge of bioeconomy stakeholders. We have specialized in the development of European projects to support our network in building new partnership opportunities. We helped in setting up the After-Biochem projects and joined it as a partner. In doing so, our objective is to promote the project to a wide audience and to facilitate the replication of the flagship facility in other European countries.
These kinds of innovative and ambitious projects are very beneficial for the European economy, but at the same time risky whether it is at technical, operational or financial level. European support is of paramount importance to bridge the gap until commercialization and help projects reach their markets, what they can't or hardly do without European support.
With the climate objectives of the Paris Agreement, it has become clear how necessary it is to contribute to a carbon-neutral future. To this end, the European bioeconomy sector is creating new, sustainable value chains, supporting the development of cost-effective, greener industrial processes. Applications will target various markets such as fragrances and flavorings, personal care, food and feed, pharmaceuticals, and industrial chemicals. Stay tuned to follow this adventure on after-biochem.eu.